iOS 27 brings the biggest App Store update in years. New places to show your brand in the moments that decide whether people tap or scroll past. The first update, a new product page header, an image or a video at the very top of your page. It's the first thing people see, so your brand sets the tone before a single screenshot. The second update, a new search results tile, a custom image or video that makes you stand out in the list and earn the tap before anyone even opens your page. The same creative now powers your Apple ads on the Today tab and in search, so one asset carries a consistent message across organic and paid. So you've got new space to own. Here are the smart ways to use it. An image, a video, a lifestyle shot, each one gives your whole storefront a completely different feel. With the new storefront, you can now change your creative by the moment. A weekend sale banner Friday to Sunday, a different message on a weekday, even a new call to action by the hour, and you can automate it. A custom page for every keyword or campaign, so the message always fits whoever you're bringing in. Everything lives in one asset library, and every asset is pre-approved. So the moment you need it, you swap it live on your header and search. No new version, no new review. Automate the whole thing through the API. Move first and own the placement.